Natural skin ceramides decline with age, causing a dry, dull, uneven appearance. Wake up to skin that looks firm and radiant with our Ceramide Premier Intense Moisture and Renewal Overnight Regeneration Cream. Moisture-rich and instantly comforting to dry skin, our Ceramide Night Cream works while you sleep to replenish and revitalize dry, fragile-looking skin. Intense hydration restores skin's natural moisture balance and eases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Our patented retinol complex * supports surface skin cell turnover, while nutrient-rich C minerals and high-performance retinols replenish skin's natural ceramides. *US patent number 5,728,732. This regenerating cream fortifies thin skin and supports natural collagen with skin-replenishing ceramides and high-performance retinols. Keeps the skin hydrated. It restores elasticity to the skin, improves tone and texture. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.